Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sohail Rana again. So this is VDD in German, AG. Okay. So there is a many type of sensor, longer, shorter, and I think this is all type of sensor is same manufacturer, but they are make different vehicle is different size, but the inside function is same. So this is not a photo sensor. This is a this not photo sensor, but look like a photo sensor. So this is a one type of signal sensor here. This one you can see there is a small detector here. Okay, my mobile is a little zoom here. Here you can see little sensor here, like a detector, photo sensor. It's look like photo sensor, but photo sensor is little different than this one, but it is a same type of photo sensor. So you can see the marking here, BDD Germany. So there is a 4-pin sensor here. So 4-pin, there is a signal and then power supply. Okay, there is a 2-pin and then 4-pin, and I can analyze the pin number here. But this sensor have little microcontroller to read the pulse from sensor. So this sensor already defected. So what is the problem inside? I see here one MOSFET, like a transistor, is already burn out, but I could not found same type of transistor. So I try to find. When I find it, I replace this one and then working. You can see little hole here in the transistor. This transistor is already some short circuit inside. Okay, you can see little hole here. Already I checked this transistor is defected. So there is a sensor. Okay, you can see here 4-pin inner, and then this one as a signal voltage input and signal output. There is a two type of signal, one for the horizontal, one for the vertical. So there is a, you can found in the oscilloscope. If you fix it, then you can check one for horizontal, one for vertical. So these two sensor, two signal connect to the tachograph. The tachograph take two type of signal, one horizontal, one vertical. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.